This is a Toyota Landcruiser 2017 79 series. Navigation multimedia system, comes with RDS radio for better reception. Plays SD card, Bluetooth. You can synchronize your contacts, receive phone calls, make phone calls. You can stream music through your phone and listen to music from your phone. Compatible with iPhone and Android phones. Plays DVDs also and CD. Comes with navigation, GPS system with the latest Australian maps. CarPlay ready. You get two USB inputs. You get one in your glove box. You also have a manual, user manual, and a remote control. AV input for an external source. We can fit a front camera or any other external source. Clock, DVR, dashcam recorder optional also. iPod, calculator, calendar, tire pressure monitoring system optional also. Monitors the pressure of your tires. You can set an alarm for a maximum and a minimum pressure. Reverse camera with distance lines. Super wide angle camera. It's fully compatible with steering wheel controls. Well, this one doesn't have steering wheel controls, but it is compatible. Sales and installations, Instyle Auto, 0404897027, 0730535670. You can order yours from our website instaleauto.com.au. Visit our Facebook page Instyle Auto. You can see our videos there, or on YouTube just look for Instyle Auto. Thank you guys, see you next time.